back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. If you have a great attention to detail, that great eye for those minute details, this might be the perfect job for you. This company is hiring people to review bills for errors. We're going to dive all into it. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you're new here, we share on this channel remote work from home jobs that are hiring on the daily, sharing multiple job leads every day. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. Today's job lead is from the company One Call. Now, One Call has 637 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a bill review associate. Again, this is remote work from home for the United States only. They go ahead and list pay right off the top, so let's talk about that. Salary is going to be dependent on location and experience, but they're going to range your salary more on the experience and the skill set that you bring to the table. Salary is anywhere from $17.75 an hour all the way up to $26.69 an hour. Now, if you can get that $26 an hour mark, that is $1,040 every single week that you are making. So make sure if you get a job offer, you are negotiating that salary. But as far as what they're looking for somebody to answer questions from the internal departments about the bill review protocols. You're going to review any bills for accuracy, researching any errors that you see, such as missing ICD codes, therapist license numbers, etc. So this is going to be healthcare bills that you are reviewing. You may have to pick up the phone from time to time and make outbound phone calls contacting therapy clinics if you're missing any information or documentation to ask them to send that to you. You'll process the mail to deliver great customer service with every interaction that you have. And of course, you'll just attend any department meetings or training sessions as needed. Now, they're only requiring a high school diploma or GED, no college degree. Of course, you have to have great communication skills, a great organizational skills, and great customer service skills. Above that, you need to be a critical thinker and problem solver, and that attention to detail, because you've got to find those billing errors. And of course, they want you to have basic computer and data entry skills. Now, above the pay, they are offering a host of benefits, including medical, dental, vision, 401k with a company match, paid time off, and a lot of other things. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you enjoy any of my job lead videos, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button so I do know that you liked it and enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.